If your Range Rover Evoque won't start after changing the fuel filter, it may be airlocked, and here is what you need to do. So the Evoque does have a lift pump in the tank, but it doesn't appear to be powerful enough to overcome the airlock. Check all your connections on the fuel pipes and then follow the fuel feed pipe across the engine to the right until you get to the high pressure pump on the side of the engine. And what you'll need to do is remove this connector while forcing air into the petrol tank. And what will happen is you'll hear the fuel coming through, and as soon as it reaches the connector, replace the connector and try to start the engine.
Yeah.
Click it back on.
Yeah.